The vital role of the Bachelor of Science in Electronics Engineering program at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Maragondon campus, in driving sustainable community development. Guided by Level 3 Phase 2 ACUP accreditation standards and anchored on institutional mandates like the Higher Education Act of 1994, our engineering department successfully deployed a high-impact, three-phase community extension initiative dubbed Building Skills EPAS program for Kingswayan Senior High School students. This technical program was strategically designed to transfer core electronics prototyping, circuit troubleshooting, and embedded systems development skills to local youth to enhance their academic readiness and future livelihood opportunities. The execution of this community service was structured around 3 progressive milestones. Phase 1 focused on basic electronics, introducing student participants to component identification, circuit schematic reading, and foundational electronics assembly. Phase 2 advanced into hands-on digital electronics, exposing students to the practical application of logic gates, digital integrated circuits, and technical troubleshooting methodologies. The program culminated in Phase 3, which provided rigorous, hands-on instruction in Arduino microcontroller programming, sensor integration, and web mobile application development. Administratively, this program reflects the structured framework of the PUP Extension Management Office under the Office of the Vice President for Research, Extension, Planning, and Development, operating in strict compliance with the university's flagship extension manual. The implementation utilized a balanced combination of funding sources. Phase 1 and Phase 3 were completed successfully as externally funded projects, while Phase 2 was executed as an internally funded training operation with a precise budget allocation of 34,015 pesos. To secure the absolute highest standard of training, the campus deployed a significant number of subject matter experts from the electronics engineering faculty. Under formal presidential special orders, the project was directed by Research and Extension Coordinator Assistant Professor Minerva C. Piedad, alongside Campus Director Dr. Agnes Y. Gonzaga. Technical instruction was delivered by expert faculty resource speakers, including Engineer Loida T. Nura, Engineer Raymond A. Payton, and Engineer Joshua D. Pitong, who provided students with deep, personalized guidance during practical training kit assembly and breadboarding sessions. The terminal success of this extension project is underscored by exceptional participant evaluation metrics. Across all 3 training intervals, the program consistently achieved overwhelming praise from its partner beneficiaries. Specifically, Phase 1 received an excellent rating from 85.71% of participants for program quality and a unanimous 100% excellence score for timeliness. Phase 2 achieved a flawless 100% excellence rating across both quality and timeliness. Finally, Phase 3 concluded with 85.71% of student finishers rating the program's overall performance as excellent. In conclusion, by seamlessly combining technical faculty expertise, an organized 3-phase curriculum, transparent fiscal management, and verified community impact, the PUP Maragondon Electronics Engineering program continues to honor its mandate as a people's university, bridging academic excellence with meaningful social transformation.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Zairine A. Pakinggan, isang grade 12 STEM student mula sa Kingsway Christian Academy Incorporated. Isa po ako sa mga naging beneficiary ng Building Technical Skills Electronic Products Assembly and Servicing or EPAS program na isinagawa sa pakikipagtulungan ng Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Maragondon Campus. Sa loob ng programang ito, dumaan kami sa 3 mahalagang phases. Una, basic electronics. Pangalawa, hands-on digital electronics. At hands-on Arduino. Sa bawat phase na iyon, unti-unti naming natutunan ang tamang paggamit ng iba't ibang electronics tools at components, ang tamang pagbuo at pagsusuri ng circuits, at ang paggamit ng Arduino sa paggawa ng mga simpleng automated projects. Malaki po naman yung naging epekto nito sa amin dahil natulungan kami nitong maging mas malinaw ang aming pag-unawa sa electronics dahil hindi lamang kami natuto sa pamamagitan ng lecture, kundi nabigyan din po kami ng pagkakataong magsagawa ng actual or hands-on activities. Dahil dito, mas naging kumpiyansa kami sa paggamit ng aming mga natutunan at nagamit namin ang mga ito sa aming mga school projects at iba pang STEM activities. Bilang isang STEM student, malaking tulong po ang programang ito sa paghahanda para sa kolehiyo, lalo na kung magkataon man po magkakaroon kami ng interest na kumuha ng engineering o iba pang technology related na kurso sa kolehiyo. Higit sa lahat, mas naging interesado po kami sa larangan ng electronics at mas naunawaan ko kung gaano ito kahalaga sa pag-unlad ng teknolohiya at sa ating pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. Kaya naman, taos-puso po kaming nagpapasalamat sa Polytechnic University of the Philippines Maragondon Campus at sa aming mga trainers at sa Kingsway Christian Academy Incorporated sa pagbibigay sa amin ng pagkakataong matuto at magkaroon ng mga kasanayang magagamit namin sa aming pag-aaral at sa aming magiging propesyon sa hinaharap.
Ako po si Corinne Valdivia from Kingsway Christian Academy. Ako po ay isang beneficiary ng extension ng PUP. Ang masasabi ko lang po ay malaking impact po talaga ang pagpunta ng PUP sa aming paaralan upang maturuan kami about po sa engineering. Dahil nagkaroon po kami ng kaalaman at knowledge tungkol po sa mga engineerings, pwede po namin itong magamit din ng future. At syempre po, malaking tulong po talaga po sa amin ito dahil mas nakales po kami ng gastos dahil po ang mga naituro po nila sa amin ay nagagamit po namin sa aming tahanan. Isang halimbawa na lang po yung paggawa po ng sira na plancha tsaka electric fan dahil po kapag po ay nasira po kasi electric fan po namin, then yung natutunan ko po sa PUP, extension po na PUP is na-apply ko po siya. So malaking tulong po talaga sa amin dahil nakales po kami ng gastos na imbis po na mapalaki po yung gastos namin, nakabawas na po kami. Dahil po sa mga tulong nila at aral po na maibigay nila sa amin. Yun nga po, nakatulong po sila, hindi lang po sa in the future, kundi po pati po sa mga tahanan po. Yun lang mo po masasabi.